Waldium, created by Amrutha Gujar, is being pitched as an autonomous blog engine for busy teams. Waldium says it can research, write, host, and track posts so you can stay visible without living inside your blog. If you've ever opened a blank doc and felt your brain turn into oatmeal, you already know the real problem. You don't hate content. You hate the never-ending cycle of what do I say, is it good enough, and when am I supposed to ship the actual product? And here's the quiet fear most people don't say out loud. If you stop posting, you disappear. But if you post junk, you look sloppy. So you stall. Then you feel guilty. Then you promise you'll catch up next week. Same movie, different day. Waldium is meant for that exact mess. From a business angle, the main value is speed with some guardrails. You connect your knowledge, set a posting rhythm, and it drafts blog posts inside its own editor. It can also host a standalone blog with your branding, so you're not duct taping a bunch of tools together. It even tracks what posts get views and where your traffic comes from, plus it tries to show when your content gets mentioned in AI search tools. That matters if you sell anything online where trust is earned over time. A steady stream of clear posts can warm up readers before they ever book a call, join a list, or click a link. Now, the honest doubts. First, automated writing can still sound like automated writing if you let it. You'll likely want to review, tighten, and add real examples so it feels like you. Second, if your knowledge base is thin, the drafts can only be as smart as what you feed it. Third, auto-publishing sounds nice, but it can also publish something you wouldn't want live if you don't check it. So think of Waldium as a content assistant with a steering wheel, not a magic car that drives itself. If you like the idea of consistent posting without hiring a whole team, Waldium looks practical. The clearest win is less stress and more control over showing up online as long as you stay involved enough to keep quality in place. And if you want a free option that helps you create faster and stay organized without getting buried, I've got you. I'm Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and my free AI toolbox is called AI Finity. It gives you daily content prompts, easy sales page builders, tools for finding product ideas, and simple email sequence creators. You can also repurpose your content into multiple formats without starting from scratch, and turn plain features into benefits people actually get. AI Finity keeps it clear so you move forward with more confidence and less overwhelm. Check out the link below in the description to get access.